Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, meet me again with me, Kanza from 4 ICP6. As a host in podcast Milbunjang Sidarjo. Best, be smart, effort, smart school, technology of worship. Today we have a theme, balance, right, and obligation as a student. Actually, I'm not alone today. Of course, I have a guest. The first I will introduce to you Gozi as Paul says in Minuputang Sidarjo. Hi Gozi.
Hi,
Can you introduce yourself?
my name is Muhammad Gausi Khairul Azhar. I am posted from 4 ICP6 in Memnopuchang Sidoarjo.
Okay, thank you. The second I have Azam as English ambassador. Hi Azam.
Hi,
Can you introduce yourself?
my name is Muhammad Azam. You can call me Azam. I am English ambassador from 4 ICP6.
Today our topic is about balance, right, and obligation as a student. Gozi, what do you think about right?
I think right is what we must or can get after doing our obligations.
And Azam?
I think the right is something that we have accepted, and then it can be something that a person has, which people think it should be that way. It is about what a, a rule about what we must to do or have.
Talk about right. Actually, as a student, we have right to do it responsibility. Can you mention that what's about? Start from Azam.
We can get knowledge from the first. We can get knowledge from teacher. The second, we can get experience to study from teacher. The third, the third, with the third, we can receive support from teacher. And the last, we can get safe place for study.
And then Gozi, you want to add?
Okay, as a student, we also have right. I will mention them. The first, we have the right to get facilities in the school, like laboratorium, library, class, the place for worship, and others. The second, we have the right to get the teacher's attention. Like when we ask a question to the teacher must answer. The third is that we have the right to feel safe in the school. Like when we study in the class, there is no something that can danger us.
Okay. By the way, beside right, there is obligation that we should done as a students. Gozi, what do you think about obligation?
I think obligation is an action or something that we must do in our life.
Azam, maybe you can add the explanation of Gozi.
Okay. I think obligation is a situation where a person have have a honorable, inherent, or have a legal duty to do something.
Talk about obligation, of course, have a deep meaning. What about current obligation that should you do as a student? Can you mention it? Start from Gozi.
Okay, as a student, we have obligation. What is the obligation? I will mention them. The first, we have the obligation to study orderly in the class and everywhere. Like when we are studying in the class, when the teacher is explaining, there is no talking to others. The second, we have the obligation to not break the facilities in the school, like break the book in the libraries, break the TV, break the AC and conditioner, and break others. The third is that we are obligated to follow the events in the school.
Okay, how about you, Azam?
The first is we must obey the rule in the school. The second, we must keep our mouth and our attitude in the school. And the last is we must follow following the learning process with order.
Okay, I think it's the last question for our podcast today. Why we should balance in right and obligation as a student? So Gozi first.
Okay, I will explain why should we balance between obligation and right in order to make a human community work so that each person can develop or live to their maximum potential.
And what about you, Azam?
I think the first, I think it we must balance. I think we must balancing right and obligation in order that is in order to become harmony and there is no chaos.
The last give one sentence or advice for our audience about balancing right and obligation as a student. Start from Azam and next Gozi.
So, as a student, we shall do our obligation before get our right, and we can get our right after do our obligation.
And next Gozi.
So, audience, as a student, we must balance between right and obligation. If we want our right, we must do our obligations first. But when we want our right, example, the right is what we want, like reward or something. Then we must do our obligation first, like help others.
Okay, I will conclude our podcast today. Actually, right is something that should we do, and obligation is something that should be done. Both of them must do it well in order our life can be harmony and we easy become a success in our life. Okay, thanks for watching our podcast. I'm Kanza as a host permit. See you in next podcast. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.